Welcome to Explain the Charts, your ultimate resource for clear and concise market analysis. Today, August 15th, 2025, we are zeroing in on one of the titans of the tech world, Amazon, traded under the ticker symbol Amazon. We'll start by examining the recent fundamental drivers and news that are shaping Amazon's market narrative, then connect these insights directly to the price action on its charts. Recent news surrounding Amazon is overwhelmingly positive, painting a bullish outlook for the company. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, remains a standout performer, reporting a robust 13% year-over-year revenue increase in the most recent quarter. This acceleration indicates strong demand for cloud services, with AWS rapidly approaching an impressive annualized revenue run rate of $100 billion. AWS also maintains a dominant 35% market share in the global cloud industry, solidifying its leading position and strategic importance to Amazon's overall business strategy. Beyond cloud computing, Amazon's aggressive expansion into the grocery sector is making headlines. The company is significantly expanding its same-day grocery delivery service, currently available in over 1,000 U.S. cities, with plans to reach 2,300 cities by 2025. This move is strategically positioned to capture greater market share and potentially reduce fees, adding a fresh and compelling new narrative for the stock. Such operational efficiencies, combined with disciplined cost management, are expected to significantly boost Amazon's free cash flow in the long term. Adding to the bullish sentiment, prominent investors like Bill Ackman have shown strong conviction in Amazon, allocating a substantial 9.31% of his portfolio to the stock. Wall Street analysts echo this optimism, with a consensus buy rating from 49 analysts and an average 12-month price target of $262.87. Some forecasts even project the stock reaching as high as $305, suggesting a predicted upside of over 13% from current levels. Now, let's shift our focus to the technical landscape, starting with Amazon's one-day candlestick chart, which provides a broad overview of its price movements. From early April 2024 through mid-August 2025, Amazon has generally maintained a clear bullish trend, marked by a consistent pattern of higher highs and higher lows. Initially, the stock traded around the $180 mark in April 2024, experiencing periods of consolidation. A pivotal moment occurred in early November 2024 when Amazon decisively broke through the psychological $200 resistance level. This price point then flipped, acting as a reliable support zone during subsequent pullbacks, a classic bullish reversal signal in technical analysis. Despite the overarching uptrend, Amazon has experienced some notable, sharp corrections, presenting critical junctures for traders and investors. We can observe a significant pullback in early 2025. After peaking near $238 in late January, the stock retreated to approximately $203 by early March. Even more dramatically, in early April 2025, Amazon plummeted from around $196 to find strong support in the $161 to $165 range, marking a substantial drop of nearly 17%. This $160 to $165 zone consistently demonstrates strong buying interest, effectively acting as a multi-month foundational support. Another sharp decline occurred between July 31st and August 1st, 2025. After hitting an intraday high of $236.53 on July 31st, the price reversed sharply, falling to a low of $211.42 on August 4th. This sell-off was accompanied by exceptionally high trading volumes, particularly on August 1st with over 122 million shares traded, indicating significant institutional distribution or widespread profit-taking. This period of volatility might have been influenced by broader market concerns, such as the hot inflation mentioned in the news, even as Amazon's internal performance remained strong. Such high-volume reversals are crucial signals that demand close attention, as they can sometimes mark a temporary shift in market sentiment despite strong fundamentals. Following the early August dip, Amazon has once again shown its impressive resilience, bouncing strongly from the $211 area. As of yesterday's close on August 14th, the stock finished at $230.98, demonstrating a solid recovery. Today, August 15th, the stock has already touched highs of $233.11, a clear indication of continued bullish momentum pushing towards previous resistance levels. This rapid rebound reaffirms the underlying strength of the company, aligning seamlessly with the positive financial metrics and strategic advancements we discussed earlier. Let's zoom in further to the 15-minute chart to examine the intricate intraday price action from yesterday, August 14, 2025, capturing the details that daily charts might miss. The market opened strongly around $227.40, quickly initiating a significant upward move. We can clearly see a powerful rally commencing around 13:20 Universal Time Coordinated, where the price broke above $229 with a surge in volume, signaling strong buying conviction. This upward trajectory continued throughout much of the trading day, with price reaching highs around $233. However, towards the latter part of the trading session, specifically from 1950 Universal Time Coordinated onwards, some profit-taking emerged. The price experienced a slight pullback, declining from its intraday highs towards the closing level of $230.60 on this time frame, on increased selling volume. This indicates that while the overall daily trend was positive, intraday traders were taking profits as the stock approached new short-term resistance. It's important to note that our available 1-hour chart data is considerably older, ending on August 4, 2025. Therefore, the 15-minute chart offers the most relevant recent intraday insights for our analysis today. To recap our in-depth analysis for Amazon, let's outline the crucial price levels and potential scenarios. On the bullish side, Amazon's strong fundamentals, particularly AWS growth and strategic grocery expansion, strongly support continued upward momentum. The current analyst consensus target of $262.87, with a high of $305 by year-end, appears highly plausible, especially if the broader market maintains a risk-on sentiment and inflation concerns subside. A decisive break and sustained hold above the immediate resistance around $233 to $234, coupled with significant volume, would reinforce the likelihood of a push towards $240 and beyond. For the bearish perspective, while less likely given current strength, the sharp, high-volume sell-off observed in early August from the $236 level indicates vulnerability to profit-taking or broader market corrections. Should the price fall below its recent support at $228, we could see a retest of the $220 level, and if that fails to hold, a return to the stronger support around $211 to $214 is possible. A breakdown below $211 would signal deeper concerns, potentially sending the stock back to the psychological $200 level or even the robust long-term support zone of $160 to $165. Key indicators to watch include continued revenue and EPS growth from Amazon's upcoming earnings reports. Keep an eye on any further developments in its generative AI initiatives and the success of its expanding grocery delivery service. Monitor the broader economic indicators, such as inflation data and Federal Reserve policy statements, as these can significantly influence overall market sentiment and investor appetite for growth stocks. Finally, always pay close attention to trading volume on significant price moves, as it often confirms the conviction behind breakouts or breakdowns. Understanding these factors will empower you to make informed decisions when considering Amazon for your portfolio. Thank you for joining us on Explain the Charts, and we look forward to seeing you in our next analysis.